Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel. If you are new, karibu, asante sana, and welcome back to my channel. So today is actually Sunday and we are coming from church. I was actually doing a cleaning video in the morning and then I couldn't finish. My battery went flat for the phone, so I had to do other things off camera. So now actually my phone is at 15%. I don't know if I'll manage to film everything, but let's see. So I just wanna cook what's for lunch. Sorry, we're gonna be cooking ugali and high firidzi. So if you don't know, high firidzi is our Zimbabwean main meal, like ugali and kale mixed with kale mixed with a beef. So that is what we call high firidzi in Zimbabwe. So that is what we're gonna be cooking. And ugali is chwala, that is also called pap. What else is gonna be on this vlog? I'm gonna be washing some dishes, yeah, and see how the day goes. So yeah, it is what it is. I love you guys. Mwah. Have a wonderful week ahead of you. I pray that it is blessed. I pray that whatever you pray for this week, you manage. Everything it just goes well, just goes well. Everything just flows. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, and also give this video a click. I left this boiling, so I'll just switch the stove on so that I start my cooking. And then I've got this kale here. My house is a little bit messy, so I need to also wash the dishes. So what? I need to also wash these things and finish up. So we'll just cook up high firidzi. So high firidzi is actually kale mixed with beef, tomato and onion, or just tomatoes without onion. What else? Yeah, so that is it. Oh, you guys. So whilst we are actually cooking, whilst I am cooking, so we bought this microwave. I bought it from someone. So this is a pre-loved microwave. It's a Samsung microwave, and I like it so much. I'll tell you the reason why we are buying some of the things pre-loved again here in Kenya. Okay, so I just want to show you the functions of this microwave. I like it because it had multi functions. Yeah, so we have got a Malaysian menu when you want to do your Malaysian cooking and what. We have got healthy steam. If you want to steam your vegetables, you can actually use it. We also have got a power defrost. You can use this microwave to defrost your things. And healthy cooking like fish, carrots and all, you can also do it in this microwave. And we have got grill function, we have got the microwave function, and we have got a combi and keeping warm your food. So this is for stopping, this is for starting the microwave, this is for regulating like the minutes that you want for your, like if you want 1 minute or 30 seconds or 2 minutes, you can actually regulate here. And then this is actually the inside of the microwave. So as you can see up there, it has got a grilling function. That's one of the reasons why I liked this microwave. So this is the healthy cooking: green beans, spinach, corn on the cob, whole meat, macaroni, cognac, burger, vegetable gratin. All of these things you can actually cook them here. We've got healthy cooking like oats, rice, barley, chicken, beans, steamed eggs, all of that. Then for our Malaysian menus, we've got the chicken beef steak, salted eggs, beef rib soups. All we can do them in this microwave. So this microwave has got many functions. So yeah, that's why I wanted to tell you guys. We've got a new kitchen appliance. So my sadza is actually now cooking. So usually we use upehlo or musika to cook sadza, but since we don't have, and ever since I've been in Korea, I didn't have musika. I think for the last 2 years, that's when I went home, that's when I got my mom's musika. So I always forget. But anyways, we can always make a paste just like how I did it, and then you cook your sadza. So now it's sputtering. We'll just leave it like this to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. So while this is cooking, I'll start prepping my vegetables. So as I said in the beginning of the video, high firidzi is our traditional or go-to vegetable with our sadza or our ugali. Usually it's kale or sukuma wiki and beef, or yeah, usually that's what we cook, or that's what we mix: kale and beef. That is what we call high firidzi. For us as Zimbabweans, we really love this combination because it's so good. It's so good. It can be chomolia, it can be wrap, we can cook it, but usually it's the greens that we usually add together with our beef. So that is what we call high firidzi. It's actually a nice go-to meal that everyone in Zim actually cooks almost every day, or if you any other day of the week. Oh, but for us growing up, I remember we used to eat that from Monday to Sunday, or we can either put maguru, that is called stripe, or tripe with sorry, with kale. We can also eat that, but usually it was always beef and kale. It's just a good meal. I don't want to lie. With ugali, guys, we really love this. Most Zimbabwean households, that is our go-to meal. So yeah, now I am just prepping my tomatoes. So we also like to put more tomatoes. Usually people, some like to put only tomatoes. I remember growing up, we used to only put tomatoes and the kale and our beef, not onion always. I didn't like onion with kale, and yeah, I didn't like it. I always liked tomatoes with kale and beef. That is what I liked. But yeah, is we grow old and we learn how to cook. We start mixing things up just for flavor and all. So yeah, that is it in today's video on a Sunday. So last week Sunday, actually, the preach I wanted to share with you guys, she taught about Abraham, what happened in Abraham's life, and Sarah. She actually talked about mourning, and moving on after mourning. And yeah, she talked about that Abraham had Sarah. When Sarah died, he mourned Sarah, and then after mourning Sarah, he married another wife. Abraham married another wife when he was 130 years old. And then after marrying that wife, they had, I think, more than six kids. Yeah, after the wife had died. And remember, Abraham and Sarah, they had only one son, Isaac. So after that, he really lived his life. Life had to move on. So she was actually saying that at times, we die when our loved ones die. We die with them. We don't know how to move on. We don't know what to do next. But she was actually saying that we have to move on. We also have a life to live. As much as it hurts, we really have to move on, for the sake of ourselves and the sake of other people. that too much? How do I put in this one?